Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the next billion-dollar industry was right in front of you, but almost nobody noticed it. While most people are chasing after the same old trends like AI chatbots, crypto coins, or drop shipping stores, there is one powerful business idea that is quietly growing and set to explode in 2025. If you understand it now, you can put yourself ahead of millions of others who will only notice when it's already too late. Stick with me, because this idea could change your financial future forever. And before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants financial freedom. Let's get into it. Now, let's be real for a second. Most people think building wealth requires doing what everyone else is doing. They see people making money from crypto and rush in, often when it's already too late. They see people starting YouTube channels, Amazon stores, or TikTok side hustles, and then copy without strategy. The result? They end up in oversaturated markets, competing with thousands of others for scraps. But the real money? It's never where the crowd is looking. Think about Airbnb. When it started, people thought renting out air mattresses in a stranger's home was ridiculous. Today, it's worth billions. Or think about Uber. At first, people laughed at the idea of strangers picking up strangers in their personal cars. Just theory. Today, let's look at some real-life examples. Transportation forever. Deodorant started as a same kind of opportunity we are about to talk about. In just a few years, it's not obvious. It grew so fast that Procter and Gamble bought it about to blow up in 2025. Personalized pet food companies like the Farmer's Dog are now valued in the billions because they focus on giving micro niche products with AI personalization. Etsy sellers who focus on tiny, eco-friendly niches are making thousands of dollars each month because they create products or services in a sustainable micro niche and then use AI-powered personalization to make them unique for every customer. With a clear niche, let's break this down into simple steps you can understand and how you can start. Now the big question, why sustainability is the future? The truth is, let's start with sustainability to launch this kind of business. More people care about the environment. You can start small with eco-friendly living, and reducing waste, sustainable products. Gen Z and millennials don't need to make up the biggest group of buyers in 2025. Partnering with local suppliers, choosing brands that align with their values. Eco-friendly goods. They are willing to pay extra for products that are biodegradable, personalization for clothing, and sustainable. Or some examples, use eco-friendly packaging instead of plastic. For organic skincare products made from natural ingredients, Canva AI biodegradable household items like trash bags, or cutlery for cleaning products, clothing made from recycled organic fabrics. Shorts to create free marketing content. Sustainability is not a trend. Your goal is to start small, becoming the standard. What works. Governments are even pushing for stricter eco-friendly rules. Didn't start with big companies are adapting. They started small businesses that start eco-focused right now can grow fast. Closing. So here's the bottom line. The one business idea that will blow up in 2025 is combining sustainability, micro-niches, and AI personalization. The world is changing fast. Customers don't want generic products anymore. They want something personal, something eco-friendly, and something that feels designed just for them. If you can deliver that, you won't just build a business, you'll build a movement. Don't wait until the crowd catches on. Don't wait until big companies dominate the space. Start small, start smart, and take action today. If you found this video valuable, don't just click away. Hit subscribe, smash the like button, and share this video with someone who's serious about making money in 2025. Because the earlier you move, the bigger your advantage.